Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make vanilla extract. Open the vanilla beans. Very carefully, use a paring knife to make a slit lengthwise down the middle of your vanilla beans, halfway through the bean, so that those magical little seeds are all exposed. Add vodka. Wait. Use in your favorite recipes.
Take our lead.
Pure vanilla extract has an indefinite shelf life and doesn't really go bad. Please note that the extract has an alcohol base, and alcohol tends to very slowly evaporate after the first opening of the bottle. That means that after a few years you might notice that the flavor of the extract is slightly more intense.
Take our lead.
Vanilla substitutes. Maple syrup. My go-to substitute for vanilla extract is maple syrup. Almond extract. Almond extract is significantly more potent than vanilla, but it will provide a similar flavor profile if you use it sparingly. Bourbon, brandy or rum. Other spices. Instant coffee or espresso powder. Citrus zest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.